Hi everyone, this is Sri from TechieTalksAI. We are extremely happy to launch our most sophisticated robotic car. This is the car that our summer camp students will be building. We'll be offering this car as a DIY kit and it is fully open source. We will go through the features of the car, but subsequent videos will cover from basics to complete car building all by yourself. This is a fully 3D printed robotic car with multiple features. Let's look at the features. So first is AI gesture control. That is, you train a model using the Google's teachable machines. So in AI gesture control, you can enter your teachable machine train model URL here and load the model. And once it's loaded, you can show gestures like this, see stop, right, left, etc. Okay, and these commands will be passed on to the robotic car. That is the idea. So that is controlling your robotic car using gestures and using your own trained model. No app installation required. The wow factor, control your robot like magic. Here is the video. So just for demonstration, we are using two objects. It can be your toy, it can be multiple objects. For left and right, you can use your hand gestures or any object like this. Next is manual remote control. Okay, so this uses Wi-Fi, works on any browser, clean web dashboard interface. The initial section is for setting up, and here we have complete control. The robotic car has got auto mode and manual mode. In auto mode, it will work like an obstacle avoiding robot. And then it has got all these controls, forward, smooth left, stop, smooth right, etc. So all these controls can be used to interact with your robotic car. So this is a super remote mechanism that we have created, and this is extensible. As and when we add new features, we'll be adding them onto this page. So these are all one-click controls, and this also has fully autonomous auto driving mode. Advanced behavior gradually slows down near obstacles. It stops at safe distance around 20 centimeter, reverses slightly, scans left and right, and chooses the best path dynamically. Continuous scanning while moving. The wow factor feels like a thinking robot, not just a car. And next is the incredible MIT Scratch-like block programming. Okay, so visual drag and drop. Like this, you can drag and drop, move forward, all the essential controls, including if distance is provided, if distance is less than this centimeter, the obstacle distance, you can do things. Then all LED controls, okay, including the rainbow, LED off, police light, then different sound effects, police siren, all these sound effects. And once you load all these, you can click on run script and it will execute. Do you believe this? So this is also part of the car itself. Kids can create logic like move forward 2 second, turn left, repeat loops. No coding required. But when you generate script, when you click on this button and generate script, you will see equivalent coding so that kids will understand the connection between this syntax and the blocks. Wow factor kids program robots like building Lego logic. So blocks are converted to real robot commands, support sequential execution, looping action, time movements, and visual feedback. Like when it executes, it'll highlight the block that is getting executed. The wow factor, see your logic come alive instantly. You can switch between these modes anytime. AI gesture mode, Wi-Fi manual mode, auto obstacle mode, scratch programming mode. Okay. So this actually has 4 modes. One is a gesture control mode. Another is manual remote control. Third, fully autonomous obstacle avoiding robot. And fourth is scratch like block-based control. Remember, it has got built-in light effects and sound effects. And the beauty is no software installation required. You can just browse our application endpoints. And subsequent videos we will cover how you can build this, or you can buy the kit through us, or you can also get completely assembled car from us. The links will be provided in the description. This summer, don't let screens win. Let your child design in 3D, print their creations, and build a real obstacle-avoiding robotic car. Join online or at our Trivandrum Maker Lab. Summer starts April 6th. Book your seat now.